Hi everyone, my name is Lavish and I am basically working as a data scientist with Pitney Bowes Software in Pune. I've had around 7 years of experience overall, and I've been into data science field for around 5 years. Today we'll be mostly talking about the basic difference between data science, machine learning and deep learning. Now, when we talk about these terms, the most often that comes to our mind is data science is a buzzword right now. It is something that industry is looking at as a option to be more data centric, to use data as an additional resource and tool to grow and improve upon their processes. And it is very closely connected to machine learning as well as artificial intelligence or deep learning, which is usually how we term it in the industry. Now, machine learning is a discipline which is basically simple problem formulation into a mathematical form, and which is represented by an equation, and then solving that equation to get a prediction for a particular variable. Machine learning in its typical and easy use cases would be predicting, for example, the number of customers that a particular company will churn out because of probably not good services or other factors that impact them. And deep learning is another field which is closely associated with it. It also involves a problem formulation. It also involves a lot of mathematics, and this basically goes to advanced use cases like speech recognition, image recognition, and all these things. Now, we have been often talking about these things like machine learning and artificial intelligence or deep learning together, right? And everybody has been very apprehensive of artificial intelligence and deep learning taking over the mankind. But be rest assured that will not happen, because a machine does not have a context, right? A human being knows what is wrong and what is right, and a machine does not know that. Machine is just being programmed, and that it is being programmed by using the previous data that it has been trained on. Now, I can talk about some use cases for machine learning and artificial intelligence or deep learning so that we are more clear on what is the clear distinction between the two. Now, machine learning involves basic algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machines, and things go on like that forever. And it is basically being used right now in the industry primarily to solve challenges like what is the kind of fleet optimization that you should do, and what is the kind of customers you should be reaching out to in case of segmentation. But artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is a typical use case that we see a lot is Google Photos. It is based on an artificial intelligence algorithm called TensorFlow, where you search for a sunrise picture, so you can see a sunrise picture just from the pictures, aesthetics, and the sun being there and probably sea being there, and all of that stuff. So that is the basic distinction between machine learning and artificial intelligence or deep learning. And we can be rest assured that we do not have to be basically afraid of deep learning or artificial intelligence, in the sense that it's not going to take over the world, because even if it does, we always have the switch in our hand to switch off these machines and start all over again.